Do you know you can make between $500 to $10,000 performing YouTube tasks? This is only for those who are not lazy. This is not a side hustle. This can be your full-time job, and the jobs are always there for you to do them. All you need to do is to be ready to work, and you're going to be making a whole lot of money for yourself performing these services. So if you are not lazy and you're ready to work, let's get to work. Alright, my name is Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. Here we talk about how to make money online, like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, content creation, how to do web design, and so on. And then we test out every opportunity we see online that can give us money, and then we'll bring it out here to show it to you so that you can go do it and make some money for yourself. If this is what you would like to always get to see on YouTube, then this is the right place to be. So I suggest you click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop videos like this. Let's go there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform that is going to be paying you between $500 to $10,000 to perform YouTube related tasks. And this is why I said it is not for lazy people, because it is a job. Yes, it's not about watching videos or commenting on an account or following people and then they pay you peanuts and all that. Yes, I have such videos on my platform, but I would tell you always that it's not going to make you rich. It's only going to make you peanut. But this is a full-time job that you can be doing from the comfort of your home, and you don't even have a chance to rest, provided you are good at the services you are rendering. So you must find something to do there as a hustler online. So let's get straight to work. All right, this platform here pays you to perform YouTube related tasks like design a thumbnail, edit video, write content, that is copywriting for YouTubers, and so many other jobs you can do for YouTubers. Okay, you can as well post your YouTube jobs here for people to. It's more like a freelancing website for YouTube. Okay, a freelancing website for YouTube. So this is what I really call working to earn money, not watch video, listen to music and so on. Those things will make you peanuts. This is what we call really performing jobs, and here you can make up to $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 per year to actually work here. So first of all, we're going to be signing up on this platform. So join as a talent. Okay, we're going to join as a talent. Let's join as a talent. We don't want to post a job, so you are going to choose what your job here is. Is it a video editor, a thumbnail designer, a creator, a creative director, channel manager, YouTube strategist, script writer, and so on? So which one are you going to be doing? So pick the one that best describes you. So I'm going to be using video editor. Okay, we'll click on next. So fast, we are going to be doing this fast. So I'm going to input my email address. So this is my email address. So I'm going to sign up. So complete your profile. You are registered successfully. Please provide your required information in the next step. So complete your profile. All right, so I'm going to be very much in a haste here. So here, add videos with more views and likes. Link the 6 best YouTube videos in which you had mentioned rules. Add more. So here you are going to impute the videos you have worked. That is your, what we call it is a portfolio. Okay, the job you have done related to whatever you have chosen. So, but I'm going to go next. So if you've not done any job related to that, I'm going to tell you what you're going to do at the end of the video to get something to present. Okay, to get something to offer. So let's proceed. So continue anyway, because I want to be in a haste. Okay, link your portfolio. So here you link your personal YouTube channel, whatever, whichever platform you're using, you add them up. So we click on next. All right, so what is your current job? You talk about yourself, you know. So you click on here, we'll click on next. What's your name? My name is Solomon Chooks. Okay, we are going to be really in a haste, so I don't want this video to be long. So add your image. So save profile. So I think we are going to be done by now. I think you did a great job. So to edit our profile, we'll click on edit profile. You edit your profile. Okay, if you want to edit your profile, but there is no need for that. We are done. I'm going to do all that later. So here is YT Jobs. We are now on YT Jobs. We've comfortably created an account on YT Jobs. Okay, we have logged in. Now we are going to look for job. We'll click on jobs. Okay, we click on jobs. This is what I call working to make money, working to make real money. Okay, that is why I tell you, for you to actually make money online, we have a program coming. That program is called "It's a Taboo for a Christian You to Be Poor When You Have Internet and Smartphone." It is a taboo It is a taboo. But this, you cannot achieve it if you don't have something. Okay, if you don't have a skill, you should have a skill. Unless you want to do scam, you should have a skill. Okay, now the list of jobs here, I can do almost all of them. I can do script writing, I can do copywriting, I can do video editing, I can do content strategy, YouTube strategist. I can do most of the jobs here. Okay, I can do most of the jobs here. So that is why I advise you, if there is any of them you would want us to teach you or make a special video on, comment in the comment section. Then if you are really serious about that, after dropping the comment in the comment section, go to the description bar. You're going to see link to reach us, our WhatsApp link or whatever link. Click on it and you're going to reach us. Then we get started. Okay, take your decision now. This is 2024. No grief for anybody, especially if you are a Christian. So let's proceed. So now, here, video editor for health. Okay, video editor. So let's creative thumbnail artist. Okay, you can see how much they pay. They pay $30 to $100. Are you seeing it? This one pay $30,000 to $40,000. This one wants a full-time or remote, a full-time for 1 year. That's what they're going to pay you for 1 year for doing this. So this one is just there. This one is $100 just per job. Okay, okay, you can see how amazing it is. You can see how amazing it is. Okay, you can see how amazing it is. So short form editor and producer, plenty jobs you can do here. So what do you have to do for you to get the job? You have to click on the job. When you click on the job, okay, you can see this person has 3.9 million views. You should see that this is a big company. So this platform is making not less than $10,000 to $15,000 every month from YouTube. So you are getting job from a big company. For me, I'm going to do it as a full-time job. So let's look at this referral bonus. The employer will pay this bonus to someone who refers the hired candidate. Are you getting me now? About the job, looking for a full-time main editor to join the team. We are looking for a long-term partnership, so please only apply if you have the ability to take on a full-time client. All applicants must fill the survey. Okay, are you getting me? I can the previous experience in, are you getting me? In IRS carry content with various point of view, someone who can adapt and take on revisions within given time frame. Are you getting me? Language be English. Okay, now these are the requirements. Sample of YouTube videos. This is sample of what they want your video, you do video editing to them. So you go through their job description and know what it is, then you click on apply. Okay, when you click on apply, I did not complete my profile, so I'm going to complete my profile to be able to apply for the job. So when you click on apply, you are going to send a detailed short information to them, and that is it. And that is it. So before you apply, make sure you set your profile, set your portfolio. Now, I talked about showing you how to get a portfolio. A portfolio is like your job experience, okay? But some of us will not have the job experience, right? Some of us will not have the job experience. Okay, I'm going to give you an idea. But before I give you this idea, my name is Solomon Jukes. I'm a social media manager and content strategist. What we do here is to teach you how to make money online, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, web design, blogging, and copywriting, and so many of them. Whatever that is going to give you money online. And when we do research and find out any platform that pays, we try it ourselves before we bring it to you. So whatever we give you here is most times what we have tried, and it works 90 to 95%. Okay, if along the line the platform stops working, then it is meant to be working. You should be smart to know when it is stopped or when it is turning into something else. Okay, so that is why I suggest that you stick to this platform. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Here we tell you the truth about making money online. We don't paint it, and that is why in less than 1 year we grew from 1 to 1,800 subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel so that you get more information when we drop more videos on how to make money online. So let me tell you my idea on how to get your portfolio. Okay, how to get your job experience. What I suggest is this: somebody like me is here, I care about you, so I will suggest you edit, you apply, like you send me a DM to, if you want to be editing thumbnail, I can do thumbnail using Canva in less than 30 minutes. I'll do a thumbnail and I'll make my $20, $30. Okay, so you are going to learn how to do it on Canva. If you want me to teach you that, still send me a DM. You can do your thumbnail on Canva and you make your money in a day. You can do up to 10 thumbnails or 20 thumbnails if you're as fast. The more you get used to it, the faster it will become. Okay, so what you have to do is to tell me that you want to edit my next thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I'm working on, and then you edit it and send to me. When you send it to me, you copy the link to the video. You did the job. Add it to your portfolio. If you can edit video, Tell me you want to edit my video. I'll give you the video you edit. Add it to your portfolio. It's your job experience. So let's help each other. So remember, first of all, you have to have a YouTube channel. So if it is possible, all of us here, if you are in this also, please come to the comment section and say, I am in. Let us build a community. Okay, let us build a community. So let us build a community. I'm going to add the link to my telegram group. So you click the link, comment I am in, click on the link in the description bar, then you will join the telegram group. Then we are going to agree to work for ourselves. Okay, we work for ourselves in a circular form, so everybody will have experience with the job we did for each other. Okay, so we add it to our portfolio, so we exchange jobs for ourselves. You are doing video editing, I'm doing thumbnail. I'll give you my video to edit, you give me your thumbnail to edit, and we add it as our job experience. That is power of community and love. Okay, let us love ourselves and build a community for ourselves and make this money. Okay, that is what I suggest. Remember, I am Solomon Chiefs from Solo Communications. Here we tell you the truth about making money. We have a program coming up very, very soon. You need to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be informed when it's coming. It is titled, It is a Taboo for a Christian Youth to be Broke When There is Internet and Smartphone. Okay, so please share this video, like and subscribe to this channel. I will be grateful. Remember, comment I am in and then click on the description bar and link on the telegram group link on the description bar so that you can join our telegram family, so we can start helping ourselves to build our portfolio for ourselves. I'm Solomon Chicks. I sign out.